Right, so these are all sectioning practice problems, and I'm gonna go some of the problems here for you, and your self-evaluation you do it by yourself, yeah, in the classroom. All right, so the very first problem is in your textbook 23, problem number 23, and you're given right the views here, and we've got to construct, yeah, the section view for this, all right, cutting plane. So let's see how we're gonna do this problem. So the very first one that we do, yeah, we are going to draw our first view, which is your front view, because you're given a top view, and your cutting, yeah, plane is right here. So we're cutting this, we're gonna remove this, we're gonna look at it from the front and then draw what we cut, okay? And this is your right side view, of course. Here, we're gonna cross hatch our exposed area, leave everything, all the circles, your cylinders, just like that, yeah? And make sure you angle, yeah, correctly, consistently from the cross hatch line spacing, the same space, all right? Be consistent to your drawing. You can draw like in the MET 101 class, like drawing like whatever, yeah? Don't do that anymore, yeah? Make sure you equally space the lines with a consistent angle, yeah, to the horizontal. So your lines, all the lines got to be the same angle, yeah. So you need to imagine there is a horizontal line here and make sure the angle is consistent. I will check, yeah, your precision, yeah, in your test. Of course, in assignment, I'm not doing anything that hard on you, yeah. In the test, I will look at it, yeah, so use my so measurements, yeah, against your measurement. Okay, so anyway, this was a problem 23, and here is your cutting plane. We're gonna cut it this way, yeah, and then draw the front view. So here we go, yes. So after you cut it, we're gonna have the same, yeah, dimensions right there. So here is your circle right there. This is your top view, and this is your front view. That's your right side view, okay? You still have a circle on the side because you have a cylinder, see? This way and then that way from your top view that you can be able to see. So front view, when you cut it, you still have a circle here. That circle is not this. This circle is this, right? And this circle is, of course, this. All right, and then here is your central line, yeah? Exposed area, we're gonna cross hatch, yeah? Consistency in your angle and then your spacing, please. 25, we're gonna cut it this way, okay? And you will complete it the same thing and draw it, yeah? Here on that side, we can see the circle, of course, your right side view, your top, and then your front view here. Yeah, since you cut it this way, we are going to cross hatch the exposed area. And then here is your empty, which is your cylinder, yeah? So leave it open. And here you can see this little, see this area right there, yeah? And that is what you can be able to see right here and also here, yeah? There's a hidden, yes? So when you cut it right here, that hidden line is being exposed as a visible line, yeah? That's what you're seeing for this and then that. So you have this and then this, okay? Be careful right there. All right, 26, we're gonna cut it this way. And of course, you gotta do the right side view because this is your top view and that's your front view. And then we are cutting in this line of sight direction. We'll be removing this, so you will be seeing from this side towards this, okay? So I can, if I'm going so fast, slow me down. So it's right here. If you do it again, you can see it like, yeah, in your mind very quickly. Yeah, your line of sight is that way, so you will have to draw, of course, this. All right, and the exposed surface. Oh, here we go. Yeah, we get the exposed surface here. So our cut section is here. So you have exposed surface here. Your hollow is right there. And everything, all the hidden, yeah, inside will become a visible line right there. Yeah. So make sure you know the front view. Yeah, it's like that. So see, you have a very big area of a hollow. Yes, in there. a little bit difficult for you to be able to see it from this side. Of course, you get rid of this because that's not necessary. It's gonna be like on this side, okay? And make sure you understand this is a top view, so don't confuse with these features because you don't need it because you're looking at it from the right side view, yeah, from this line of sight. Again, where is my little arrow? So I am gonna draw this again. Your line of sight is right there. Yeah, you're cutting it right here. So you see this, yeah, which is that. Your exposed area is here, which is this, okay? And empty, okay, empty. But now we see this, you know, which is that, okay? Go all the way back. A little bit twisted, yeah, because of these edges. And just try to understand that this is my top view, this is my top view, yeah. So therefore, when you look at it, you won't get a confusion again. 1, 2, 3. You only have, yeah, 1, 2, and then 3. But this will go straight in anyway. And then of course this, which is this, yeah. We don't need this, yeah, because you can see it, yeah. Why is because your this is actually your base, yeah. All right, 27. So we're gonna cut it in this way, yeah. It's kind of like a half section cut, yeah. Line, you can see the change of the direction, yeah, in your cutting plane. And we'll draw, of course, as you see. Where's my little arrow? As you see that way, okay. Symmetry, so therefore we don't have to draw the lower part, only the upper part, okay. You will see this, yeah, and that's that. And then of course your circle cylinder is right there, empty. Your exposed area, cross hatch it, consistent angle and spacing, yeah, between lines, please. In your hollow, see another cylinder here, okay. Since we cut this way and then that, make sure you also have the surface on this side, okay. Again, never ever forget, right, this is your front and then that's your right side view. You're looking at it this way, and that's your front, yeah. Your front view is not this way. And here is your shaft, which is this guy, yeah. All right, problem number 28, okay. Let's see, convert the right side view into a correct full section view on this side, okay. Cut it, right side, that's your front. This is that, okay. And here you have your shaft, yes. So since you cut it this way, we can be able to see the exposed area and you section it. All right, the rest of them don't touch and just leave it, yeah, as it is. 29, the same thing. We're gonna cut, yeah. We need to show the webs. The webs are, when you look at the webs carefully, see the webs here, and the rib is this. The webs are down in these edges right there. They have the same depth as the outside rim of your casting, which is this guy, yeah. So we're gonna use appropriate crosshatch for that, yeah. So here my web exposed area from the right side, of course, your shaft, yeah. And this is this part, yeah. And since we cut it along the web, okay. And here is the rib, okay. You can be able to see the surface of your web in there, yeah. So exposed, your web is exposed in your right side view. So that's what we're drawing in it. And this is your this part, and this is your that part, okay. And that is your web part, yeah. I hope you can see it. You just need to train yourself, yeah. Please make sure you train yourself. Okay, that's it for the practice problem. I would recommend spend about 3 to 4 hours, yeah, and do your assignment in class drawing the best you can. Definitely not expecting correctness and precision in class. You will need to put about 3 to 4 hours to be able to do the section drawings correctly. Yeah, don't take it for granted. Okay, yeah, that's it for the practice problems.